Laundry is more than just cleaning clothes. It plays a vital role in personal hygiene, skin health, and indoor air quality. Proper washing removes dirt, bacteria, allergens, and chemicals that can cause skin irritation, respiratory issues, or infections using non-toxic detergents. Natural disinfectants and proper drying methods can promote a healthier lifestyle by reducing exposure to harmful substances and maintaining fresh, clean fabrics that support overall well-being. 1. Removes germs and bacteria. Clothes, bed sheets, and towels collect bacteria, sweat, and dirt throughout the day. Regular washing prevents the buildup of harmful germs that can cause skin infections, allergies, and illnesses. 2. Eliminates allergens and irritants. Pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens get trapped in fabric. Washing your clothes and linens regularly helps reduce allergy symptoms, asthma triggers, and respiratory issues. 3. Prevents skin problems. Dirty clothes can cause acne, rashes, and irritation due to trapped sweat, oil, and bacteria. Freshly washed clothes help maintain healthy skin. 4. Controls odor and freshness. Sweat and bacteria lead to bad odors in clothing. Proper laundry keeps fabrics smelling fresh and boosts confidence in personal hygiene. 5. Stops the spread of viruses. After being in public places, washing clothes at the right temperature helps kill viruses and germs, reducing the risk of illness. 6. Boosts mental and emotional well-being. Clean clothes and fresh-smelling fabrics create a sense of comfort and well-being. A clean environment reduces stress and promotes a healthier mindset. 7. Extends fabric life and saves money. Proper laundry care prevents bacteria buildup that can break down fibers, making clothes last longer and reducing the need to replace them frequently. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.